going to play cooking time! Wow! Whoa! It looks yummy!
It's almost done.
Washing vegetables and frying with the pan looks like fun. I want to try too. Me too. I want to try to cook. Yay! Wash the vegetables. Wash them. Wash them. Fry the meat. Fry it. Fry it. Break the egg with a tap, tap. Tap, tap. See, it's ready to eat.
Wow! You two did a great job.
We sure did. Mom, have a bite.
Here I go. That's delicious.
Yay! We did it!
Shimajiro, Mimilin, would you now like to try my Salisbury steak?
Shimajiro, we should cook some more food. Yeah! What do you think we should cook next?
You guys, don't forget that I cooked some food too.
Opening a restaurant with plenty to recommend.
Thanks for inviting us.
Welcome to Shimajiros Restaurant! Good afternoon! Here's your menu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Hannah, what do you want to eat? It all looks so delicious, doesn't it?
I recommend the big fluffy omelet. Omelet! Yummy!
Could I get one omelet for Hannah and a Salisbury steak for me? And 2 orange juices, please.
You've got it! I'll be right back! All right! 1 Salisbury steak, 1 omelet, 1 orange juice, 2 orange juices. It's done! Sorry for the wait!
Thank you.
Thank you. And here's your dessert.
Oh, I don't remember ordering ice cream.
It's on the house. Yay!
Aren't we lucky, Hannah?
Thank you. You're welcome.
It's nice and sweet.
Sweet. Yay! Opening a restaurant with plenty to recommend. Dr. Shimajiro will get you feeling so good.
Ow, my stomach. Somebody help me.
Ha! What's the matter?
Dr. Shimajiro, it's my stomach. It hurts.
Let me check. Show me your stomach, please.
Here.
I see.
What is it, doctor?
You have
Huh?
a fat tummy.
I did have a big lunch.
Oh dear, I'm feeling dizzy.
What's the matter?
Dr. Shimajiro, I just suddenly felt dizzy.
Let me check.
Anything, doctor?
You don't have a fever. I'll give you a shot, just in case.
Thank you.
Leave it to me. I'm a doctor. Just get some rest and you'll be fine. I'll also give you some medicine.
Thank you, Dr. Shimajiro.
Dr. Shimajiro, how about me?
You get a shot in your bottom.
What?
My!